Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Quick steps to inspect your workbook. This is important if you plan to distribute this worksheet to others. There may be some hidden stuff under the hood, so to speak. The best thing to do is to do a quick inspection if you choose. Well, it's simple. All you do is go to File, Info, check for issues, Inspect Document. And then you'll hit Click Inspect. Before we do that, now we're inspecting the workbook, and it's suggested that you save the workbook before doing the inspection. And it's very simple. Once you open up the inspection tool, it'll kick this out. You can save it then, or you may have saved it previously. Here is an overview, and this is the short version. There's probably 20 different inspections it does. Typically takes a couple seconds. Doesn't take any time at all. This is just an idea. Comments, inspects documents for comments, inspects for hidden metadata, inspects data model for embedded data. Why don't we just go and grab the tool and see what it looks like? File, Info, Inspect Workbook, Inspect Document. Before you use Document Inspector, as I said, you want to save. Just hit Save. And you get this dialog box as noted here. I'll just put this right over the existing document, but now we can just scroll down. And you could see it's a comprehensive list. I suggest you read this. I'm not going to go through it all. Embedded documents, macros, it just checks all of this stuff. One thing I did insert, because this workbook has limited information on it, but one thing it looks for are links. So I threw a link in here just for topic, and we're going to hit inspect. It just ran through the inspection. That's how quick it was. First comment was document properties. There's some stuff, the author, absolute path. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. You can go through and you can see if there are any comments. And here it says links to other files were found. We can't remove these for you. After you remove them, inspect the file again, and so on and so forth. You want more info? Don't press it. Really, you don't. Why? Because it's going to kick you out into Microsoft World. If you're not using their latest, greatest tools and bells and whistles, they're going to try to influence you to change. So hit more info. It goes to external links, and then lo and behold, here comes the cells. Just close this, and then it just gives you this link if you want to read more about it. But I suggest just ignoring it. That's the inspection tool. It may be something that's helpful. It might not. Go back. You can close this. We're back at our worksheet. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.